Smile Sunday, dear friends. A very happy Janmashtami to all of you. I must tell my friends who stay overseas that today is the birthday of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, the perfect soul, Paramatma, just like us, suffered from all emotions, whether anger, excitement, joy, passion, resentment, sadness, and fear. So, dear friends, please believe in karma, work, and make your life the way you want it to be. Talking of the traditions in India, for every festival, men and women wear a red thread called kalava or Rakhi during the Rakhi festival for brothers and sisters. There are various points round the wrist, if circulated well, even during a bath, would give stimulation and source of energy to many organs. This is the source point for the lungs. So if we stimulate them, this point, we could stimulate our lungs. This point could stimulate the brain, and this point could stimulate the heart. So 3 points here. We can just massage it any time of the day to give health, to give source energy to the lungs, the brain, and the heart. When we see the dorsal side of the hand, when we are wearing tight bangles, stimulation is given on this point as well as we press and make the person wear the bangles. This is a very good point, the source point for the large intestine. Then comes the middle of the wrist. This point is very good for circulation for the spinal cord. Spinal cord is one energy, the hotness energy, which gives circulation, which gives energies to all the organs. It is called the triple warmer, which energizes the top portion of our body, the middle portion of the body, and the bottom lower portion of the body. This point here is the source point for the small intestine meridian, which is also the fire element, the heat energy, which really helps in digestion and circulation of energy to all the body parts. This is the source of all energy. So if we stimulate our wrist, we will be able to give energy to ourselves. In the microsystem of Sujok, if we stimulate the first joint of the index finger, or here, we would be giving the same energy to all our organs. We could stimulate it from both the sides, or we could tie methi seeds all around for a few hours to give constant pressure. Friends, this energy that we are talking about comes from a source which is called the Ming Men Chakra. This exists between our kidneys. The kidneys we can reach from the back by massaging the back at a particular place, but in our microsystem, I keep telling about the kidneys being here. And the point between the kidneys is the Ming Men Chakra. all the energy is stored here, just like the father figure of the house who has all the energy and who can distribute energy to all the body parts. Once again, if we believe in God, we will activate our Min Mang Chakra. If we keep our energies focused in good work, we will stimulate our Min Mang Chakra and not waste our energy. Smile Sunday, dear friends. Happy Janmashtami. Happy birthday to Lord Krishna. Thank you.